cause of hype is hope. Isa na namang gwapo at gwapang araw sa inyong lahat. Since February 14 ay tila nawala sa balita si Kai Sotto at ang isang photo or video na galing sa kanyang kampo ay wala tayong nakikita. Even the social media account of Kai Sotto ay wala ring updates, but if today is a sign, masasabi natin Kai Sotto is back. Dahil sa latest post ng official Instagram account ng East West Private ay tila piniflex na si Kai Sotto at ang kanyang mga kasama sa EWP na kilala na ngayon bilang the EWP Boys. Pero ano nga ba ang pinapost ng East West Private sa kanilang Instagram account at bakit ito importante sa basketball career ni Kai Sotto, mga gwapo? But before that, ay meron na naman tayong bagong pag-giveaway, mga gwapo at gwapa naming subscribers, as a way of giving back sa inyong overwhelming na support sa Express Info. At dahil road to 100k subscribers na tayo, ay meron na naman tayong 100k subs giveaway kung saan mamibigay tayo ng isang Apple iPad 8th generation pag-aabot na tayo ng 100,000 subscribers. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, ay please subscribe na para mapadali ang pagbibigay natin na giveaway. At meron pang kasama ang mga consolation prizes. So, sa mga gustong sumali sa ating pag-giveaway ay napakasimple lang. Una ay dapat nakasubscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel na Express Info. Pangalawa ay dapat rin nakasubscribe sa ating bagong sports channel na My Sports Balita. Number 3, huwag kalimutang i-click ang notification bell sa dalawang channels upang updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. And last but not the least, ay huwag kalimutang mag-comment ng kahit ano positibo about sa ating mga topics. So, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Subscribe na and click the notification bell agad-agad. First and foremost, ay dapat nating tandaan na pakatagalin nating hinihintay ang mga updates ni Kai Sotto. In fact, meron pa nga mga haka-hakang hindi pa raw bumalik si Kai Sotto sa Amerika at nasa Pilipinas pa. But all those rumors are answered with the post of East West Private. They posted a photo of Kai Sotto kasama ang mga EWP boys at ang kanilang mga pamilya, and we are very happy to know that Kai Sotto is already in the US and he is fine and well. He looks happy in his Pilipinas jersey wearing it so proudly. Tatlong pictures ang pinopost ng EWP with a caption and a quote. Family makes the journey worth it. Not all were with us in this photo this morning, but clearly with us in spirit. At meron pang hashtag na hashtag family first, hashtag no one left behind, hashtag life, hashtag trust, hashtag loyalty. Samantalang merong malaking possibility na maglalaro si Kai Sotto sa FIBA ngayong June kasama ang mabigating players ng Pilipinas, kasama si Jordan Clarkson and Junmar Fajardo to form arguably not just the tallest ever team but the most talented team ever assembled sa kasaysayan ng basketball sa Pilipinas. Nasa ngayon ay wala pa namang commitment si Kai Sotto at alam naman natin he is committed to play for Gilas national team. So, the forthcoming FIBA Olympic qualifiers ay magsisilbing isang magandang stage for Kai Sotto to show his worth at may pakita niya na NBA ready na siya dahil he will go up against 35 NBA players na Serbia. Ang player prototype ni Kai Sotto na si Nikola Jokic kasama si Boban Marjanovic. Ayon sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas President na si Alpan Leleon, ang federation ay magbubuo ng the best possible team para sa FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament na gaganapin sa Serbia this coming June. Ibig sabihin ng the best team ay merong PBA superstars na pinangungunahan kay Junmar Fajardo or considering Teen Tower Kai Sotto or NBA star Jordan Clarkson, granting na ang Utah Jazz ay hindi aabot sa NBA playoffs. Kai is always welcome to join Gilas, said Panelio. Ang bottom line, ayon kay SBP President, is to field the best team. Ngunit upang mangyayari yon, ang SBP ay nangangailangan ng buong suporta mula sa PBA at sa 12 ball clubs considering ang Serbia meets ay nakaschedule sa June 29 hanggang July 4 ay maaaring mag-collide with the schedule ng Philippine Cup that is being planned for April. We will be coordinating with the PBA to plot our plans moving forward, said Panlilio, also hoping that Angelo Cuame's naturalization will soon be signed into law so he can suit up for Gilas in Serbia. Everything is a possibility, added SBP Assistant to the President Ryan Gregorio. This early, ipinapakita ng PBA ang kanilang support in the tough task that's facing Gilas Pilipinas as it hopes to make it back to the Olympics after an absence of nearly 5 decades. The Pro League, according to Commissioner Willie Marshall, may tweak or baka mag-adjust ang Philippine Cup schedule accordingly. The PBA fully supports SBP and Gilas. But as to the OQT, we still have to discuss with the SBP how we will go about it, said Marshall. The Nationals earned a slot in the tournament in Belgrade last Friday pagkatapos nag-pull out ang New Zealand dahil sa health and safety issues. The 31st ranked Gilas will face an acid test in its group matches against world number 5 and host Serbia and number 19 Dominican Republic, number 12 Italy, number 18 Puerto Rico, and number 35 Senegal from the other group. Only the top team ang makakasali sa Tokyo Olympics na gaganapin later in July. I think Gilas should get the guys from the PBA that they want to be part of the final 12, and each team should get an import and Gilas competes in the PBA as build-up for the tournament, SMB star Chris Ross suggested in a Twitter post. Kai Sotto and Gilas for Belgrade OQT, don't rule it out. Posible hindi lang si Angie Cuame ang big man para sa Gilas Pilipinas that we can look forward to sa FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament. Ang ating Filipino wonderkind si Kai Sotto ay posibleng available para sa national team duty, especially na ngayon si Kai Sotto ay unaffiliated. Ang 18-year-old center na si Kai Sotto mutually parted ways with the Ignite ng Merkules, bidding goodbye from the select team even before he could make his debut inside the NBA G-League bubble in Orlando. Pwedeng babalik si Kai Sotto sa bansa and truly make his seniors team debut, going back to his original commitment, the third window ng 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers. Even the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas SBP reiterated its support in the UAAP Season 81 Juniors MVP, saying that Sotto will always have a home with Gilas. The same is true for any Filipino basketball player chasing their dreams on the international stage. Whatever may happen to their respective paths, they can always be sure that the SBP will be there to provide them a stage where they could perform for their Filipino fans, it wrote in a statement. Ang potential na addition ni Kai Sotto sa Gilas Pilipinas pool ay tsak na magiging isang big plus, giving the Philippine national team a solid twin tower combo once maaproba ang naturalization ni Angie Cuame. It could also open the window of opportunities para sa ating young prodigy Kai Sotto as he get exposed to world-class competition in the Belgrade OQT. Kai Sotto and his handlers at East West Private have yet to discuss what the future holds, although with the NBA G-League already out of the picture, the most logical move for him is to take his talents to Europe, which many critics consider it the second best environment next to the NBA.